I'm going to be showing you how to fix Discord route connecting problem. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is understand what no route actually means. So it means that Discord can't connect to voice servers, usually caused by network issues, firewall, VPN blocks, and ISP restrictions. So let's fix it step by step. So the first thing you need to do is restart everything. So just restart Discord, restart your phone or your PC if you're using one, and just restart your router as well. So this fixes many cases instantly. Just turn off VPN or proxy. If you're using VPN, just disable it. Discord voice often fails with VPN. You can also check firewall and antivirus, or you can just temporarily disable firewall to test. You can also try changing DNS. It's very effective. So on Windows, you can set your DNS to 8.8.8. So it improves connection to Discord servers. You can also just try a different network. You can try a different Discord voice region. You can reset Discord voice settings. And in all of these ways, you can successfully fix Discord no route connecting problem.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.